Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see about Loft option. So we need to create planes to create sketches in different areas. So now we selected the top plane to create a sketch. So as usual, when you create a sketch, make sure it is fully defined, give the dimension and make it fully defined. So now we are going to create a second sketch on the second plane. Now we are going to create a sketch using the convert entities option. You can see how to create a sketch using convert entities. So once you create the sketch on the plane, come out of the sketch and to create another sketch on the another plane. So now we're going to add one more plane and add one more sketch on that plane. So once the sketch is drawn, now go to the feature option and select the loft option. So now select the sketches to create the profile for the loft. So in the next video we're going to see about how to use a guide curve in the loft option. Thank you for watching this video. Continue to support our channel by clicking the subscribe button.